I can't believe it, Esther. They can't be. Jeremy, you're an old coon hunter. How you get a squirrel out of a tree?
Shoot it. Shoot it.
What if you ain't got no gun?
Oh.
You pull down your pants and you show it some nuts.
Oh.
Hey y'all, how's it going? As you can see right here, I got drawn out. I'm going to make another gnome. The last gnome I hadn't made, I made a video of it sold, and that's the only one I had. So I figured, might as well. People are buying them. I didn't have that thing but about a week or so. Anyway, I'm going to try to do a little extra, put a little bit on the hat there. It's peeled over, come down a little bit. And I've been looking at what full-time chainsaw carvers have been doing, and I'm going to try to imitate that a little bit. Some things I've seen Chris Poplin and Creation Dust 777 do, and these guys both make these things and sell them, and a lot of chainsaw carvers make them and sell them. And now I've sold, I think I've made, the last one I made was the second one I've made, so I'm going to try and make another one. I know it'll sell because that one wasn't in there but about 3 days before it sold. So, but this time I'm going to try a little more detail, a little neater carving. I can ask more for it. Anyhow, let's see what happens. Worst thing that happened is it's just awful. That said, y'all keep watching. Let's see what happens. All right, that's all I'm gonna do with the chainsaw. And now we're gonna go ahead and start to burn it a little bit, and then we'll sand her down and see how it goes. Hey, so anytime you can do this, it's a very good idea to make a relief cut in the back of these so that they dry out faster. They don't crack as bad. And it'd be nice if I get on the camera, right? But anyhow, so this is one of those carvings. It's one-sided anyway. We'll still paint it. We're gonna put a relief cut down through there. And I just want to tell you about it, why I'm doing it. People ask all the time at the place where I sell these things. They'll call, hey, so-and-so customer wants to know why this thing's got a great big giant crack in the back of it. Because I put it there so that it doesn't crack clear in half. That's why. Anyway, let's do it. Good enough. All right, I'm gonna start with painting the hat. This looks really cool. This looks like something I've seen other guys do. And anyhow, we're gonna paint this baby. All right, everybody, here we go. Got this baby done. Looks pretty good. Next step in the phase of making this thing is making them a little bit better. I'll watch what Creation Dust 777 does and a couple other carvers. And I just thought this was really neat, going after their style a little bit, learning how to make this thing better. So it looks good. It's Boss Lady approved. Would you say it's a Boss Lady approved?
Boss Lady approved.
All right, and she's got the Kissimmee special hat on. Be sure to check them out on their page, and also be sure to check out Creation Dust 777 for some beautiful chainsaw carving and beautiful videos. And I hope you like our gnome, and until next time, come back when you can stay later, you smuck.